there. And I'm glad that I'm beginning here with you tonight. I will tell you that much. We've got a great show for you. I have completely new choreography. Quite a bit of that. I've been working with Paula Abdul. And the only problem with that was she was really high. So she just had me doing this a lot. But sit back, forget about your troubles.